Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today you're joining me with two things. One, a new camera, so I'm not used to it yet. And two, we're going to fly to Florida from Manchester. Come on. Well, that's us checked in. Time to get through security, so I'll have to put you away and then I'll pick you up at the other side. So that's it, we're through security, and guess what? My bag with all the laptops and camera stuff got checked again. But anywho, we need to try and get some pop and then rush to the gate because we're late. So we've just walked through the duty free and I think we're going to go straight towards the gate because we're late, we're very, very late. There's a temporary route in Terminal 2 of Manchester Airport, and it's a massive walk, and it's boring. It's a tunnel. That's our plane. Oh my god, that's such a trek. And we're still going. Here we are, we're on board the Aer Lingus. Ricaros? What's this? A race car? Hey!
Great boarding complete. We're just going to go on staff to disembark the aircraft as we're shortly be closing the aircraft doors.
So there you have it, we're off. 8 hours, 10 minutes ish, and we'll be in Orlando. And yeah, see what the food's like. I'll show you that when it comes, and I'll show you some of the in-flight entertainment when I get a chance to look at it. So we're almost an hour into the flight, and the bar drink service is happening. Other than that, the in-flight entertainment, we've had a bit of issue. My sound went off, Tristan's sounds went off, mine's come back on, Emma's screens isn't working at all. So yeah, we're having issues with the in-flight entertainment. Other than that, everything's going okay. So speaking of the in-flight entertainment, you have everything on here. So you have your movies, which you can scroll through, Disney movies, new releases, etc, etc. Also have lots of different TV programs. And with the TV program, say, I don't know, let's go with The Simpsons. You can click the episode list, and it's not just one, you get a good selection of each episode.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign over. Please and ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened.
And now the seatbelt lights just come on. You're going to get bumpy. We also have a lot of audio, so different albums and playlists and different type of music to listen to. We've got games you can play, lots and lots of games, casino games, board games, battleships. I believe you can play this with other passengers. So if you click that and then put the passenger in, the seat number, it'll give them an invitation, and then you can play against other passengers on the plane. So we also have Kids Zone, which is all the children's movies. It's very bumpy, I can barely touch the screen here. Wow. Anywho, connections, obviously when you get a little bit nearer it tells you about any connecting flights that you may be getting. And then you have your duty free, you can browse that. Obviously buy things through your screen, and then the menu for food, etc. So drinks that you can buy. As an example, the drinks are $5.49 for a beer, a cider. Jack Daniel's whiskey is $5.95. So not cheap. And we are getting chucked around. It is very, very bumpy today. No wonder they put the seatbelt signs back on. Look at the bounce on that wing. So of course I've had to get myself a Jack Daniel's and some Cokes. The Jack Daniel's with a bean and alcohol, these are payable like I said earlier, and the soft drinks are all included in the cost of the flight. Did I say flight or freight? I don't know. So the cabin crew just made an announcement that the lunch service is about to start, and there's a choice of pasta bolognese and chicken with a pepper sauce, I believe. So I'm going to get the chicken, Tristan's going to get the pasta bolognese, and we'll see what they're both like. So here we go, here's the meals. I've got the chicken with cubed potatoes and a pepper sauce. There's a cold, yeah, it's very cold, that's a pasta salad, so it's got to be cold. A bun, some butter, some water, and what is this? Ooh, a lemon curd mousse. Yum. Tristan is getting the same thing, apart from he has the pasta bolognese instead of the chicken, but everything else on the plate's the same. And to be honest, I'm starting to regret getting the chicken because that pasta bolognese looks delicious. I kind of take that back, because that chicken in peppercorn sauce was absolutely delicious. Yum. And we've just been given some vanilla ice cream. Nice. we've just had a hot chicken pastry. So it was a Spanish chicken and it was delicious. I forgot to film it, you know why? Because I ate it so fast. So we're just about to start our descent now, and we've been told it's going to be a little bit of a bumpy one due to storms in the area, but as long as we get down safely, yeah. Over there. So we're off the aircraft now, about to head through to US Customs and Border Protection and then collect our bags. So I'm going to have to switch yous off because I'll get into trouble. That's it, we're officially in the USA. Time to go pick up the car and head to Disney. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. Well, we've got our car, a nice big GMC Yukon. And as you can hear, we have the aircon on full blast because it is hot. Anywho, we're going to drive out to Disney now and I will pick you up there. Well, I'm sorry I didn't film picking up the car. Why? Because it's chucking down rain. It's just starting to ease off a little bit, but look at this. Look at this car. I'll turn you around. Get a look at that beast. So there you go, we are all checked in. We're going to head back to the beast of a car, head to our room, and then go to Walmart to get some shopping in. So I'll see you soon for a quick room tour. I'm not very good at room tours, don't really like doing them to be honest. But yeah, I'll see you soon when we get to the room. And I'm a port, I didn't even know it. Boom. So here you go. Like I say, I'm not much of a one for room tours, but you come in. You've got the Hey Disney down there, which is basically an Alexa, Disneyfied. So we have a table here, and that pulls down into a Murphy bed, so that's a double bed. You have my and Emma's bed, the TV, nice stand with USBs, as Tim would say. And over by the bed, USBs. We'll love the USBs because everything I've got is USB. Into the bathroom. Let there be light. Hey! So you've got your wardrobe stroke closet in here, ironing board, and then just your normal bath and shower and commode. So just to show you this Murphy bed, you pull it Lots of creaks, lots of cracks. The table falls away. And just like magic, your bed appears. With Huey, Dewey and Louie. Well, that's us in the hotel room now, all settled. That's the end of this video because me and Emma's going to nip to Walmart now and get some shopping. So yeah, see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.